My phonic dictionary.
B, baby. Bubbles, baby. Bubbles. Bear, bird. Bear, bird. B, strawberry, strawberry. Box, box. Bluebell, bluebell. Butterfly, butterfly.
The bird, black wisdom, not to lack, picked up pebble from the rubble in its beak, not to break, but raise the water to drink.
Boy, ball. Book, ball. Bread, bread. Baboon, baboon. Pebble, pebble. Rabbit, rabbit.
Story time. Benny's busy day. Once upon a time, in a bright and colorful forest, there lived a little boy named Benny. Benny loved to explore the forest with his best friends, a fluffy bear named Teddy and a playful rabbit named Floppy. One sunny morning, Benny, Teddy, and Floppy decided to go on a big adventure. They packed a big box with yummy bread and fresh strawberries to eat along the way. As they walked through the forest, they heard a sweet song. It was a bird perched on a tree branch, singing a lovely tune. The bird was very clever and even recited a little poem. The bird black, wisdom not to lack, picked up a pebble from the rubble in its beak, not to break, but raise the water to drink. Benny clapped his hands in delight and gave the bird a juicy strawberry as a thank you for the beautiful song. As they continued their journey, they met a bee buzzing around a patch of bluebells. "Hello, bee. What are you doing?" asked Benny. "I'm busy making honey," the bee buzzed. "Would you like to taste some?" "Yes, please," said Benny. The bee gave them a drop of the sweetest honey they had ever tasted. Next, they found a big ball in the middle of the path. "Let's play," shouted Benny, and they had the best time kicking the ball around with Floppy hopping and Teddy tumbling. As the sun began to set, Benny and his friends were tired from their busy day. They found a cozy spot under a tree and laid down on a soft blanket to rest. They looked up and saw a beautiful butterfly fluttering above them, and Benny whispered, "What a perfect day!" Just as they were about to fall asleep, they saw a baboon walking by. "Good night, baboon," Benny called out. The baboon smiled and waved as he continued on his way. Benny, Teddy, and Floppy all closed their eyes, dreaming of the next adventure they would have in the magical forest. Let's go question and answer.
What did Benny and his friends pack in their box for their big adventure?
3, 2, 1, jump!
Correct answer. They packed yummy bread and fresh strawberries.
Who sang a beautiful song for Benny, Teddy, and Floppy in the forest?
3, 2, 1, jump!
Correct. Answer. A little bird perched on a tree branch sang the song.
What did Benny, Teddy, and Floppy find in the forest that they had so much fun playing with?
3, 2, 1, jump!
Correct. Answer. They found a big orange ball to play with.
What did Benny say to the baboon when he saw him walking by as the sun was setting?
3, 2, 1, jump!
Correct. Answer. He waved and said, "Good night."
Can you guess what color the sky turned as the sun was setting?
3, 2, 1, jump!
Correct. Answer. The sky turned beautiful shades of pink and orange.
What did the busy bee offer to Benny and his friends?
3, 2, 1, jump!
Correct. Answer. The bee offered them a drop of sweet honey. Learn more. Subscribe. Thanks for watching.